Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to stop Facebook app from tracking your iPhone. If you don't want Facebook following your activity across other apps, here's how to shut it down. Open your Facebook app and then tap on the three lines, then scroll to settings and privacy, then click on settings. Next, search for off Facebook activity. Then what you're gonna do is click on clear previous activity and hit clear, and then toggle off future activity to stop new tracking. Safety tip: only keep permissions you truly need. Extra access just means extra data sharing. Quick fix: if you don't see the option of update your both iPhone and Facebook app to see the latest version, then check again. I hope this video helped you guys on how to stop Facebook app from tracking your iPhone. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.